Now that we've created our sandy beach, let's go ahead and add some type to this that we're going to write in the sand with. So as we can see here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type with my type masking tool. So let's go over to our text here and come down. Horizontal type masking tool is the one I want to use. There we go. Now let's find us a nice curvy text here. Let's see. Something in brush will do good. Let's do brush script standard. That looks good. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in, let's see, let's just type in Sandy. There we go. Let's actually do upper and lowercase letters, like so. Well, actually, I forgot Curves doesn't have one. So actually, let's bring our selection up. So let's go to Modify, and let's go to Transform Selection down here like so. We'll grab this here and we'll bring this up to where it's pretty well in center like so. I don't want to make it up too big. I want to make sure I have enough on the outsides of it here. So now that we've got our text mask up and going, let's pause here. We'll pick this up in the next part.